Okay, so I'm recording. Let me just share my screen. So this is part one of technically, yeah, just part one of the video. So what will happen is I'm gonna teach you how to transfer your game into your Oculus Quest. So technically, I'm doing this at home because this would only work for Oculus Quest devices. So Oculus Rift, Oculus Rift S, hindi na siya gumagana kasi outdated na siya. So I'm just doing this at home and yeah. So let me just test, let me just test. So currently nakakonect ang aking Oculus Quest. So ito na siya. Ayan. So let's just check. Ayan. Okay. Good. Everything's good. Ayan. Okay. Alright. So it's working na, di ba? Ayan. Okay. So it's working na. All you have to do here, since my file is working, what we're going to do is just to publish this as an APK file. So file, build settings. So dapat naka-Android kayo, okay? And then let me just see kung may lalabas sa player settings. Blah blah blah. Okay, so technically wala naman. Yan. Okay? And just click on build. Okay, I'm just gonna create a new folder. New folder. Call that build. And then let's call this, for example, as MME game VR. Okay? Then click on save. Yan. Okay, so just click on save. Yan. Okay? So this will take a while, especially if tawag dito, this is your first time to build it. Pero after building it, for example, after the first build, kapag binuild nyo ulit, mabilis na. Okay? Sa una lang siya matagal. Okay? So I'll just wait for this to build and then uy, mabilis na ba to? Yan, okay? So just wait for this and then I'm gonna pause the video and then we're gonna open up the APK file. Okay? Yeah. Let me just stop the recording. Tapos I'll send another recording for how to drag and drop your file dun sa dito sa Oculus Quest nyo. Okay?